That's a giant. Hey,
That's a big bird.
he's got huge hooks.
Nice bird.
You see it, Kimmy?
What?
He wouldn't.
He would have come. I think he would have come a little bit closer, but it was kind of just hanging up a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm glad you shot when you shot.
Yes.
Way to go, man.
Thanks, guys. Hey.
That's awesome.
I know I was asleep. I heard
Turn on 12 call.
Hey, swamp
Way
doppler out.
to go, way to go, way to go.
His head turned bright red. He just wouldn't commit. What happened the first shot? It knocked him down. He got back up like he was wobbling, and he stopped. He might have died again, but
Yeah, he was hurt, but let's go check him out.
it's still a 40-yard shot. Okay.
Let's go.
I mean, quiet as a mouse.
I didn't like how he was
Yep.
Ben, thanks so much, buddy.
You're very welcome, man.
You know, this morning we were on birds, just couldn't close the deal, but you guys never gave up.
Nope. Gave her heck.
Yeah, my first trip to Florida, you know, Kimmy Hanks invited me down here to hunt with you guys, and it was just a lot of fun. I mean, we never gave up all day long. Here it is, a really, really nice bird.
Yeah, it's about, what time is it, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Saw this bird coming down this sandy road. It's been one of our better afternoon spots. We knew there were birds in the area. We just kind of sat quiet for a little bit, let out some light calls, saw him coming down the road about 100 yards, and he was peeking through these pines trying to figure out what that decoy was. You let him get in about 40 yards and put the smack down on him.
Yeah, you know, it was fun. Charlie behind the camera, he's filming and doing a great job at it, and says, you know, no pressure, Eric, but that's a big bird.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, no kidding.
That would have had me shaking.
Yeah, he come down and you could see his beard swinging, you know, bright red head.
Yep.
It's what it's all about, guys. Thank y'all so much for having us out here this weekend.
It's awesome, man. Congratulations.